Before we get into the formal agenda, I just wanted to make a few comments since yesterday was a momentous day. Obviously, pardon, day before yesterday, sorry. Yesterday was momentous too. Yeah. We obviously are totally respectful of the outcome of the referendum. We never took a position on the referendum. Our position has always been that if the people of Massachusetts want casinos, which they have said quite emphatically now that they do, that it's our job to implement this quite remarkable law as well as possible and to accomplish two key objectives. One is to maximize the revenues, the jobs, and all of the other economic development impacts that were originally envisioned for this law. So maximize the benefits, and on the other hand, minimize the potential negatives, whether it's traffic or problem gambling or anything else that might be an unintended consequence. That's our job, to fulfill those two objectives as best we possibly can. And we will continue to do that, and we will continue to do that in a way that, as best we possibly can, will be in fact and will be perceived as participatory and transparent and fair. We also, however, are mindful of the fact that although 60% of the people voted in favor of maintaining expanded gaming, 40% voted against it, which is a lot of people. And we consider it our job, I think I speak for all the commissioners, consider it our job to try to win the confidence and trust of everybody in the Commonwealth, proponents and opponents alike, and to be mindful of the legitimate concerns that a lot of people have expressed, and that 40% of the people in Massachusetts were very much concerned about. As far as going forward, today's agenda is indicative of the fact that we have a lot to do. It's time to roll up our sleeves. I think all of us have sort of had bated breaths, even though it looks like this was going to be, casino gambling was going to be continued. We even, I think, in our own agency have felt some sense of restraint and concern. That's now off, and it's time for us to really roll up our sleeves and go to work. First and foremost is to see that our three existing licensees, three really first-rate companies, we take real pride that we've got Penn National, MGM, and Wynn Resorts as the licensees in Massachusetts. Due to, I think, the competitive environment that we were able to create and the work that Mayor Sarno and his team did in Springfield, we will be having an investment of $2.7 billion in the Commonwealth to get these three facilities up and running in the next 2 or 3 years, $2.7 billion. We have made a commitment to the public that we will have something like 8,000 to 10,000 construction jobs, 8,000 to 10,000 permanent jobs, $300 million to $500 million in new revenue to the Commonwealth. And job one for us is to make sure that those aspirations are realized because that's the commitment that was made to the people of the Commonwealth. We also have to make a decision on Southeastern Mass, which we'll be talking about today, and it's important for the people there that we figure out how to approach that. We have a major research agenda underway mandated by the legislature. You'll be hearing more about that today also. And we're anxious to have the whole public hear about that as that begins to come to fruition. We have a strong mandate from the legislature and the governor to pay attention to problem gambling. And we are doing that. We will have the resources to attend to it. And as you know, we are debating a very innovative and thoughtful program of how to promote responsible gambling and minimize the downsides of problem gambling. So there's a lot to do, and we look forward to it and are anxious to get to work. One other thing, we are also mindful of the fact that the three elected officials who appointed us, Governor Patrick, Treasurer Grossman, and Attorney General Coakley, are now being replaced. Our three appointing authorities will be new people, and we will be reaching out to them soon to get to know them, to give them a little bit of a briefing on what we're doing and how we're doing it, what our priorities are, what our plans are, and to familiarize them to whatever extent they are interested in our work, since we will now be working with them. Any other comments as we get started from anybody? No. All right. Thank you all. We are anxious to get to work.